Okay, here is number 8 on chapter 3.2. Somebody asked me to run through this problem. You've got uh, some sample data of ATM fees in two different cities, City A and City B. You've got this little table or chart here, and we're right in 3.2. We're talking about dispersion here. So um, this question wants to compare how dispersed the data is with two different measures. One is the range, and the other is the standard deviation. So StatCrunch makes range really isn't that hard to find. Just a quick calculation on a calculator is easy. Standard deviation, it's definitely worthwhile to open StatCrunch to do. So you don't have to chug through that formula. So when you open StatCrunch from this little box here, it brings up your two cities are the columns, and your ATM fees are the values down the column. Now to compute the stats that we want, we just range and the standard deviation are basic summary stats, and the columns organized in the data is organized in columns, and we select both, and you see that this is what the summary stats are there. Now you can tweak that over here if you want. I'm just going to hit compute because it has both the range and the standard deviation. So you have the first row being city A and the second row being city B. It looks like the range for city A is just 2.5. Let's check that answer. And the range for city B is going to be what, 0.5. Okay, so 50 cents. Check the answer. Okay, the standard deviation for city A is 0.91. It says round to the nearest cent, so that's still 0.91. 0.91. Yeah, sometimes I've heard from students rounding seems to be the hardest thing on some of these questions. You just have to really pay attention to what StatCrunch wants, right? Sometimes it says the nearest, tenth, hundredth, thousandth, but rounding's not hard in and of itself. City B, let's see, that standard deviation is 0.27, rounded to the nearest cent. Okay. And the last question, can I hit continue, I guess? Which city has the most dispersion based on range? So if we are, measuring the dispersion with range, we would definitely say city A, because there's a higher range, right? City A because it has a higher range. It also has a higher standard deviation. But so either one of these, you're whether it's you're picking it based on range or standard deviation, you would still pick city A. Okay, I hope that helps a little bit. Well done.